Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see that how you can remove single or even multiple campaigns that you are not using on Facebook now from the ads manager and you want to get rid of all of them. So just select the ones that you don't want. I'll select a couple of them, and to delete the campaign I'll just click on this recycle bin option and simply click that, delete, and now the campaign is gone. So this is a simple video on how you can delete multiple campaigns from Facebook. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.